if you're looking for a budget friendly, easy to make, versatile and healthy, in fact super nutritious food, then it will revolve around this. Not literally, but an egg can make us happy from the start of the day to the day's last meal. And for a non-veg loving Bengali, the love for deem, an egg is unlimited. From egg rolls to biryani, egg devil to deem bhat, it will rule your taste buds. So today I will show you a recipe which is having eggs and another most loving ingredient of bongs, which is posto, poppy seeds. And this recipe is called deem posto, which is one of my favorite dish, which is easy to cook but not easy to skip. I think this deem posto recipe is one of the easiest recipes compared to all the other deem posto recipes that you will find on YouTube. So let's start with the ingredients. We are using 5 eggs. Then we have posto, as in poppy seeds, also known as khaskhas. Next we have lukewarm water. Then is onions, green chilies, and we have mustard oil, turmeric powder, salt. Next we have water, which we'll use for cooking, and we are going to use half a lemon. So first I'll start by soaking the posto, as in poppy seeds, in lukewarm water. Usually I use posto, I soak posto in lukewarm water for a curry. We are going to keep it for about 15 minutes. Till then, let's boil the eggs. So we are boiling the water first. To boil the eggs, we have taken enough water so that all the eggs get submerged well in it. We'll boil these eggs on medium flame for 10 minutes. So now one by one I'll transfer the eggs into the cold water. So our eggs have got boiled. Now we are going to take off the shell of the eggs. Now we will slit the boiled eggs, and after cutting the eggs, marinate them with salt and a pinch of turmeric powder. We're going to coat them nicely. Now I will finely chop the onions and the green chilies. Now it's time for the green chilies. And next we'll just cut half a lemon. I will use half of this lemon towards the end of the cooking. Now we will make the posto paste, as in the posto bata. So this is the strained posto which we had soaked in lukewarm water. I'm going to add enough water so that the posto, as in the poppy seeds, get submerged in it. The level should be like this. So let me check. So we need to add little water at small intervals to get a smooth paste. Oh yes, it's done, and this is how it looks. Next, to fry the eggs, we will heat oil in a karhai. Now we'll add the eggs into the karhai. For this recipe, we will lightly fry the eggs. In the same kadhai, we will now add the chopped onions. Now we'll add the chopped green chilies and saute them with the onions. We'll add 1 teaspoon of salt Now we'll add the green chilies and saute them. Once our onion fry is done, we are going to add the posto bata, as in the paste made out of poppy seeds. The water we had kept, we are going to pour it into the mixer and pour it in. Posto is very expensive, huh? So I don't leave any amount of the paste in the mixer. Now we are going to add the fried eggs. Now we are going to cover it with a lid and cook it on low flame. We are going to wait till the curry becomes thicker, and it's going to take about 5 to 6 minutes. The curry is done. We'll turn the flame off and squeeze half a lemon in it. And mix it well. So here, this is the final look of the Deem Posto. According to me, it is one of the easiest recipes. So do watch my other recipes too, and do subscribe to my channel.